This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Loretta Martin. Custom built home, fresh, and inviting open floor plan, 3 bedrooms with playroom or 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, kitchen, dining and family room all open. Family room has fireplace with custom built-ins. Gourmet kitchen has double ovens, microwave, ice maker, dishwasher plus a large walk-in pantry. Secluded on 5 acres, pond in-ground pool plus 30 by 30 shop with 10 feet hangover. Outdoor kitchen and cover patio great for entertaining. This home is full of quality amenities and upgrades galore. A hidden paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Loretta Martin at 901-861-4808.